The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla, they are getting a big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Yeah, with a big up on yourself. Alright, watch you now. I am going to present to you piece of a music video that had been done by a musician who goes by the name of Elegan. Yes, Elegan. You see? Alright? And the music video had been done for a song that is known as Dash Dirt. The title of the song is known as Dash Dirt. See? Now, this song is about someone using the thing that is known as obia or voodoo or witchcraft to hold down someone, trying to stop the person from progressing life or achieve whatsoever the person wants in life. You see me, I say, me always hear about obia or the voodoo thing and them sit there. You see me, but I kind of somewhat not believe in it. You see me, I say, you have a lot of persons who don't believe in obia or voodoo or witchcraft. You see me, and really and truly, I don't really want to know if it's real, because me hear some stories about them thing there and it scare me. You see me, I say, anyways, my people, I will present to you the piece of music video that has been done by Elegan, and if you want to see the entire music video, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video down below, and when you click that link will take you to the entire music video that had been done by Elegan on Elegan's YouTube page. Alright? Anyways, I could take a listen to this music video right about now. I could take a look at the music video, because you know I look at a video, you know. Alright? Anyways, Elegan, pick up yourself. Read him up.
No, good, brother.
I mean, no good.
But dash with dirt and dash with this and that with dash with, man.
Are you feeling dash with it, man?
You look like I sang him at about, you know.
Something not right, you know. But I can just feel.
Elegan, big up yourself. Anyway, then, Elegan, big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Yeah, Elegant. Wagwan. You know, so me hear some man call up.
Me love the starting of the music video. Start off well.
Necessary.
Listen up.
Happy.
Them a dash shit, them a dash dirt.
What?
Them a dash over when I work.
Alright.
Nigga Father God them blessing I work.
Yeah.
Him a keep me above the earth.
Hey!
Yo, me evil Dr. Bridget, no I go on.
Well on there.
Me have a evil work for you, no brother.
It look like the man I call a man that is said to be the other man.
You ugly up.
Right away you know say a bad word that no viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, that's a bad word. You see me? Pardon the bad word. You see me? I say, pardon that. Alright. Make a look some more in this here.
I want to out of you, so. But you gonna give me a song and I talk about me must play it. But this song,
you hear that? Yeah, you hear that?
I'm gonna wear. May I send it to you? Hold on. May I send it to you right now?
People, you hear that?
Right, the brother look strong, you know. That I go cost you.
But strong. Brother, how much? At that me I talk.
So, a man I go really and truly spending hard earned money for try to hold on somebody. A man I go spending hard earned money for do this thing that is considered to be obia or witchcraft or voodoo to stop somebody from achieving life. Like, really? You have people really stay so? I act them act, you know. I know real thing, so you know, me don't want nobody go out there go see the act of them and go say, hey, no, I act these persons I act. Alright. Listen up. Look.
My money stronger than how him face look. Me ready?
Bun up.
Just sell me the money now. I'm going to deal with him case.
Just sell me the money. Just sell me the money. The pronunciation never come up. Yeah. Look and listen.
No say nothing, man. 2 grand dead for you, man.
Alright.
I want to. No say nothing, brother. Love, yeah?
Love. Well, love there not that. Well, love there not that. Me not say love in that. See? When me see some persons out there might call it bad mind. Well, love there. Remember now I act these persons are act, you know. I just the concept of the video, you know, me get, you know. See? So the persons them see in this video act them are act now, but that thing say a real thing will happen, you know. You understand? Anyways, look at listen again.
Alright.
Them a dash shit, them a dash dirt.
Me have to tap it right there, some people. Me can't give the entire music video. You see me I say, so me have to tap it right there. So if you want to see the entire music video, just check the description of this video down below and me gonna leave a link in the description down below, and when you click that link will take you to the entire music video that had been done by Elegant on Elegant's YouTube page. Alright? So, what do you know anything about the music video, and you know, I'm gonna move on to another video, you see? Now, I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that had been recorded somewhere within the United Kingdom. I do not know when the video had been recorded. This video is about an African descendant man who had been accused of shoplifting. This video shows some things that happened between the African descendant man who had been accused of shoplifting and persons who are said to be security guards and employees of a business place that is located somewhere within the United Kingdom. Viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this video. See, some of the comments that have been made on social media about this video gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the African descendant man had been racially profiled. Tell me what you think about this video, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Listen, why are you grabbing me? Why are you grabbing me? Have you paid? What do you mean I've paid? If you haven't paid, why are you grabbing my arm? Why are you grabbing my arm and stuff? Where's your receipt? Why are you grabbing my arm and my stuff? Let's go back. I've got my receipt. Don't pull me back up with the stuff. Why are you pulling me in the blue water? Show us your receipt. What do you mean show me your receipt? Why are you coming at me like this? You can't come at me like this, bro. You can't come at me and expect me to show you my receipt. This is not how you speak to people. This is not how you speak to human beings.
Sir, I'm just...
Why are you grabbing me up in the middle of blue water?
Listen, you have your tantrum when you
No, it's not about having my tantrum. It's not about tantrum. Black people are going through this all the time. You keep yeah, but you... What do you mean my face mask? You put my face mask on the floor. My face mask is on the floor because of how you're grabbing me up. No, don't grab me up. Call your main security person. No. Don't grab me up. No. I'm not going. I burnt my kneecaps many years ago. I'm not begging. You man go call your superior. You do not grab me up.
Have you paid?
Call your, of course I told him when I paid. I told him when he said I paid. So
management say you didn't pay.
I don't care what management said. I don't care if management said I didn't pay.
Okay,
I told you man already I paid. No, let go of my arm. Let go of my arm.
Let me calm down.
Go of my arm. Move from my arm. Move from my arm.
Leave his arm. Let's talk like man to man.
No, move from my arm and my products.
No.
Listen. Get off the products.
Have you paid?
I've paid. I've said that 5 times now.
Where's your receipt?
I don't. You firstly back up. That's what you're gonna firstly do. Back up. My receipt is my receipt. I could have thrown it in the bin after. It doesn't matter. Back up. This is my product. This is my product. Back up. You don't hold my arm and grab me up. I'm the wrong one. I'm the wrong one you did that to today. I'm the wrong one. I did pay. Can you move back? Give me space. You're supposed to be socially distanced. How are you grabbing my arm and grabbing my products? How are you grabbing my arm and grabbing my products? £100
it's confirmed.
How are you grabbing me over £100? How are you grabbing me? You grabbed me and my products.
Yes, that's right.
Now you need to back up. Because it's COVID-19 and I need my space. Back up. Because he grabbed me, my mask is on the floor. What do you mean? How smart are you? I've not got my mask on because he grabbed me. What do you mean? What do you mean shut up, mate? Back up.
Definitely not paid for them.
Back up. Please, can you give me my space? Can you give me my space? Get off my products. This is my products. These are my products.
Calm down.
Okay, move. Look at my mask on the floor. What do you mean calm down? He ran up to me. He ran up to me and grabbed me. My mask is on the floor. What do you mean there's my mask? He's been on the floor.
Why are you asking for it?
Because he said I don't have a mask on. What do you mean why am I asking for it? Your colleague is being smug and smart.
Do you want another
This is not the time for that conversation. You've handled me wrongly. I've paid. Say it to the camera from here. I've paid. Did I pay? Did I pay? Tell everybody. Tell everybody you just tried to embarrass me.
Listen,
Tell everybody.
Yo, listen.
No, you do this. You do this to black people all the time. You do this to black people all the time. Look at you, man. Tell everybody. Tell everybody I paid. Tell everybody I paid. It's me, Sivas Williams. I'm in blue water, and these men try to take me over £100. Now come back. Come back. Come tell everybody. Where are you? Hey. Tell him I paid. Tell him I paid.
Okay.
Tell him I paid. So they do all the time. All the time. All the time. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I'm fed up. I don't care what you know. What? I don't care what you know. Why are you grabbing me? No, I'm gonna complain now. Now I'm gonna complain. You harassed me. I want to speak to your manager right now.
I'm the manager.
The store manager?
I'm the security manager.
I want the store manager now. I want the store manager now. He's grabbed me up. What do you mean? They just told you I paid. Why are you coming up to me like that for? Why are you coming up to me like that? How do you expect to get me your general manager? Listen, I want the general manager of Blue Water right now. Of course I got the receipt. I told him that initially when he came up to me. I told him. No one's seen my receipt anymore. They just confirmed I paid. They just confirmed I paid. You are not seeing my receipt. Don't grab me, and don't grab my phone. Don't grab me and don't grab my phone. What I want, what I need is the general manager of Blue Water now. Now. I need the general manager of Blue Water. I need his name. I need that other white guy's name. I need this Asian brother who just tried to grab me. I need this Asian brother's name. I need your name because you're smug.
Wait there with us, sir.
No, I want the general manager. I know you're trying to calm the situation down.
No.
George Floyd died last year because of this rubbish. George Floyd died last year because of this rubbish. So don't cut me off. Don't cut me off. Don't do it right now because my people have been suffering for years. Don't do that right now. My wife is over there doing her shopping. Don't do that right now. I'm going to Manchester. Let me express. Because I am disgruntled. And I'm allowed to be because he ran up to me and grabbed me. He ran up to me and grabbed me. So what?
People make mistakes.
I don't care what. No, people are racist. And people have bias that are conscious. Don't do that. I'm not talking to you. What I want to talk to you, don't talk about mistakes. Don't talk about mistakes. If I was an old white man or an old white lady, he would have never run up to me and grabbed me like that. So hold on. Hold on. I don't care. Hold on.
It's coming.
Listen, I don't want a duty manager. Listen, I didn't say that. He came
a duty manager.
No, I didn't. I said I want the general manager. I want the person that runs this place. Yeah. I want not the duty manager. I want the person they report into.
So you see it, go people. The man pay for things them, you know. But the man had been accused of shoplifting. There should be a very great apology for embarrassing someone in such a way. See? Now, I understand that those persons who are said to be security guards, they are just doing their jobs. I understand that. I understand that they are just doing their jobs. But at the same time, it's the way how you approach a person who you suspect had shoplifted something or take something from a store or do this thing that is considered to be shoplifting. See me? So, me now go blast and say certain things bad, you know. But just approach the person in a good way. And as for anyone who had been accused of shoplifting, whether you're African descendant or not, once the security guard or security guards approach you, just give them a receipt. Nobody would hold up a long argument. Just give them a receipt and just make things go easier. See me? Now, many comments had been made on social media about this video that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the African descendant man had been racially profiled. See? Now, if that is true, it is bad. You see? And this video had been posted some places on social media where it is said that an African descendant man had been racially profiled and accused of shoplifting. My people, let me know what you think about that video. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And you know what? Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla.